Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Netception. In this video we are going to show you how you can set JioTunes without using the JioSaavn app. Yes, there is an alternate way to do this, and that is by using normal SMS, that is without using any data connection. So it might be the case that you want to change your JioTune desperately but you do not have data pack recharge right now. So obviously you cannot access JioSaavn app without data connection. So how would you do that? Well, you can do that in the traditional way, the old school SMS format, and that's what is still present for JioTune, which I am going to show you in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Do subscribe if you aren't already for more helpful tips and tricks and tutorials like this. Getting started with the process, now what you have to do is open up your messaging app on your phone and you have to send a new message to 56789. I hope that's pretty easy to remember, and you have to text JT, that stands for JioTune, JT. I guess that's pretty easy to remember too. Now all you have to do is wait for reply. It might take a while, it often does, and once the reply comes, it will be something like this. It will give you various options, like you can either choose what Bollywood or regional or international songs you want. You can also deactivate your JioTune if it's already set up, or you can try this other ways. Now I'm going to do one and I'm going to choose Bollywood, and obviously a reply will come that will take me further into the categories of Bollywood. There are other options where you can type movie space the movie name to choose from the songs of that movie, album space the album name, or singer space the singer name to get songs from that album or from that singer. So various options are available which you can do, and you can also search the song by writing exact first 3 words of the song. It should be up to 40 characters. Now remember, your first 3 words should be exact. If it is not, then this process will not work and you might actually think that you did not get the proper answer. Now the reply that comes is giving me further options in the Bollywood area, but instead of going further down the road, which is really time consuming, instead I'm just going to type in the name of the song, that first 3 words option. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm searching for Samjhawa, which is a song from Badri Ki Dulhaniya, and let's see, I have already got 2 options, actually 3 options, and these are the 3 versions of the same song. I want the first, that is the original version, not the unplugged or reprised version. Now here I get a SMS saying that it is selected. Now I have to reply with 1 to confirm. Then there would be another message that would be sent from this other number, and that I have to reply with Y. That is the final step. Once I do the final step, I'll be confirming and I reply it with Y, and you can see another message came up which says my JioTune is set up. Now you can call me to know that. Obviously you don't have my number. So that's kind of it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, share this video with your friends who might be facing the same problem, and please keep watching our videos. Thank you. I'll see you next time.